Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python programming. Today, I'm going to show the demonstration how to build a loan calculator with Python that using Tkinter model. So if you want, you can execute the source code with the help of ideally or PyCharm or any Jupyter also. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the programming with the help of ideally only. So before going that, you have to know some basic things. So here, why you go for Tkinter? Because Tkinter means because it's a standard interface to the TK GUI toolkit shipped with Python here. Moreover, it output the fastest and easiest way to create GUI application. Any kind of GUI application we can create easily here. Moreover, if you want to creating a GUI, it's the best one and easy task. Moreover, whenever build this loan calculator app, it will capable of calculating the total amount, monthly payment based on the loan amount, number of years, and interest rate also. So let's go for the coding and let us go for execution also. I switch on coding here now. So this is simple coding. I am going to utilize for create the loan calculator. So it will show the screen in the screen. The user can enter the information. So first of all, I'm going to import the Tkinter. So I'm writing from Tkinter import as a symbol. Then I'm going to create the user defined class called loan calculator. Then I'm going to initialize the method self. Then the important thing, I'm going to invoke the Tkinter. So I'm writing Windows equal TK in TK. Then window dot title I'm giving, that is modern level calculator. Then I'm going to give the background color, that is window dot configure, background is called gold here. Then I'm going to create the number of labels. So it's very important. So before that, you had now, if you want to create the loan calculator, there will be some steps will be there like this only. Just now shown you. So you can import. So we can import the Tkinter and add the widgets and at last add the event also. For whenever the user input something, it will produce output here. So here I'm going to create the label with the window with the help of window only. That is label, first label called annual interest rate. So I'm writing the window font is called Helvetica, 12 bold I'm giving, text called annual interest rate, then dot grid row is equal to 1, columns equal to 1, then sticky is called W. Similarly, I'm writing another label where I have to enter the number of years, or anyone, whoever user they can enter the annual interest rate, then writing the number of years. Similarly, the loan amount 50,000 or 1 lakh like that. Then once you enter here, after giving this one, what will happen? Whenever you give the compute button, the user can view the monthly. After this one, it will calculate and display the monthly payment and total payment. Total how much repaying and also monthly payment, how much you may have to pay like this. Then I'm going to write the method like self.annual interest rate, where string variable. Then I'm going to write the entry where very important here, entry of window comma text variable is called to self.annual interest rate, where just be is called right dot grid row is equal to 1, column is equal to. Similarly, I'm going to write the things for label. First label annual interest rate. No, then I'm writing for number of years. Similarly, I'm writing for the number of years also variable. Then I'm writing loan amount, then monthly payment, and then I'm writing creating a label called label monthly payment is called label of window. Then font size I'm giving, and background color light green I'm giving. Then text variable is called I'm giving self dot monthly payment of variable, then grid row is equal to 4, column is equal to stick is equal to e, and so on giving. Then self dot total payment variable is equal to string variable. Then label creating LBL total payment is equal to label of window, and so on. I'm also giving same what are going here. Then I'm going to use the compute button where we are creating with the white color background and BT compute button. So here I'm going to create the button. Whenever the user click the button, it will display the monthly payment as well as the total payment, how much you have to pay at last, he or she. So you're writing the button like compute payment, then I'm setting the compute payment grid row and so on, and BT clear writing, and at last I'm BT clear writing. So whenever user not entered it, show clear only, clear button also, then clear button giving. Then I'm writing the delete also. If the user enter some data and after that deleting means what happen, again user can freshly enter the number of years, interest rate, and so on based on their convenient best loan. Then window dot main loop I'm writing. Then I'm going to use the method called definition compute payment, where I'm writing the information like monthly payment is called self dot get payment, then float self dot loan amount variable dot get, then float self dot annual interest dot variable dot get by 1200, and int of self dot number of years where dot get. So here number of years would be 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, and so on. Then I'm writing the code. self dot monthly payment variable dot set of format monthly payment. Then I'm giving decimal value 10.2 float like that. Then total payment writing float of self dot monthly payment will get multiply plus 12. So you know all of you. So when I go the monthly payment is there, it divided by 12 only. Sorry, multiplies 12. Then int multiplies int self dot number of years variable dot get. Then writing self dot total payment where dot set format of total payment comma 10.2 and so on. Then I'm going to write the at last I'm writing the definition method, that is get monthly payment, where I'm writing self comma loan amount, monthly interest rate, comma number of years. So here going to apply the monthly payment formula, that is monthly payment is equal to loan amount multiplies monthly interest rate by 1 minus 1 by 1 plus monthly interest rate, double multiplies number of years multiplies 12. So whenever applicable formula applicable, it display the proper monthly payment and total amount also. I'm writing definition delete all function for sub dot monthly payment variable dot set and so on loan amount and so on annual interest rate and so on number of years and so on total payment variable set. So, and last I'm completing with a loan calculator where I create the class here starting. So simple program here you are now. Remember, so some of things you remember about this project, that is called that model contains a TK toolkit. Moreover, we are using the importing the whole model of Tkinter here. Moreover, we are creating a user defined class that is called loan calculator. So user defined class and also which hold its own data members as well as the member functions. Moreover, here definition underscore need shell is there. It's a special method in Python class. Remember, and also it is a constructor of a Python class. Moreover, why we need sticky arguments? Here we are using the sticky argument, that is sticky is called W, sticky is called WW and so on. Why? Because the widgets are created in the center generally. So using sticky arguments, we can change it. So when you want, you can change the Windows anything. We can change the things here. So take 4 values, that is called NSEW. North is southwest. So we are using somewhat W only here. So whenever you want, you can use the sticky also. So Tkinter is one of the best option for creating the GUI up here. Let's go for execution. So already executed. So when I give run option, it will show no problem. Or else I switch on the screen here, output screen here. So when you execute, there is no error, means it display the information. The user had to enter the annual interest might be a 12% and number of years might be a 5 years. So I given 8 years and the loan amount. Let's assume that the user want a loan amount of 50,000. So 6,000 giving 2, 3, 4, 5. So 60,000. Just I'm going to press the compute button. So it will display the information. So monthly payment is 975 rupees 70 paisa, and total here to pay 93,616 rupees 32 paisa. Now when I clear, all the data will be clear here. So again I'm just giving information, just in interest of 12, annual interest 12, and number of years is just 5. Then I'm going to give the loan amount of 50,000. 50. Okay. So let's compute it. 2 lakh, 5 lakh, whatever you can give when you compute. So if at all loan amount is 50,000, the user and the people have to pay 1,112 rupees and so on, and the total payment is total 5 years it pay totally 66,733 and so on. So I hope that you understand today how to build a simple loan calculator with the help of Tkinter. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media link what are going given in the channel. And also if you like the video, please subscribe and share with others. Thank you.